Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to delete a Discord server in desktop. First, you need to open your Discord, then you have to go to the server which you want to delete. After going to the server, you have to go to the server name, click on server name. You can see the option of server settings. Click on server settings and then scroll down a bit and you can see the option of delete server. Click on delete server, enter the name of the that you want to delete. After writing the name, click on delete server, and as you can see, the server is deleted. So I hope this video has helped you. If it does, then please like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.